We are Oregon State University Hybrid Rocket. We are Nova Alice. To be part of Hybrid Rocket is to be part of a team that thinks differently. We aim to usher in a new era of propulsion technology for OSU that goes beyond solid fuel, encouraging engineering design of solid liquid motor systems that bring us ever closer to our dream of getting a rocket to space. What this enables us to do is build rockets that have greater power, are safer, and are more configurable than anything that has come before, all while furthering our knowledge in real techniques and components that we will see in our future aerospace careers. This last year, we set out to achieve a goal that to all other Oregon State teams is trivial: fly. But what it takes to make a hybrid rocket to fly is so much more than simply lighting a match. And as a brand new team that hasn't flown for over 3 years, building a rocket over 3 times larger than hybrid teams before, we had to prove ourselves as much as the technology. And we did. But getting there was anything but straightforward. Through a seemingly endless cycle of trial, failure, trial, success, trial, failure, and trial yet again, we pushed our equipment, our knowledge, and at times our morale to their very limits. We did it as a team by dividing the main ingredients that put a rocket in the sky: structures, recovery, propulsion, avionics, and ground control, amongst a group of dedicated students with a strong will to learn and a drive to succeed. And the final product? A 12-foot tall, 4-inch diameter machine that not on the first try, nor the second try, but on the third try, met our one goal. It flew. And on that third attempt, at 3,000 feet, an oxidizer injector plate failure brought a year's worth of hard work to an abrupt end. In the shadow of the achievements of the other teams this year, it may look to some that we failed, but not to us. We don't see a shredded airframe and a blown-out engine. We see one of the greatest learning opportunities of our collegiate careers. We see a new opportunity to build something even greater, to set the bar and provide the framework for future students to follow, using tools and resources not yet imagined. And this is because we are here and we are relentless. We are Oregon State University Hybrid Rocket. We are Nova Alice.